Myself Thangamani from AC and RA Kilikulam. I am going to present about advertising, sales promotion and public relations. Advertising. The word advertising is derived from the Latin word advertere, that means to word, turn the mind to word. Advertising means spreading of information and also it is a kind of promotion activity. Advertising is a form of communication for marketing and used to encourage, persuade or manipulate an audience to continue or take some new action. According to American Marketing Association, advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor. The basic objective of advertisement is effective communication between producers and consumers, creation of demand, preparing ground for new product, facing the competition, creation and enhancing goodwill, informing the changes to the customers, neutralizing the competitors' advertisement. Advertising media. Mass communication channels are called advertising media, like newspapers, magazines, radio, TV and etc. The major type of advertising media are print advertising, outdoor advertising, broadcast advertising, public service advertising, celebrity advertising. Goal of advertising. In business, the goal of advertising is to attract new customers by defining the target market and reaching out to them with an effective ad campaign. Classification of advertising. Product advertising, institutional advertising, primary demand advertising, selective or competitive advertising, comparative advertising, cooperative advertising, commercial advertising, non-commercial advertising, direct action advertising. Importance of advertising. Crucial for a launch or announcement. Promotes goods, services, ideas and events. Helps in increasing the sales. Creates consumers awareness. Demand creativity. Demands monitoring of demand and supply. Sales promotion. Sales promotion is nothing but the process of persuading a potential customers to buy the product. It is designed to be used as a short-term tactic to boost sales. Objectives of sales promotion. The main objective is introduce new products or services, to attract new customers, to induce existing customers to buy more, help the firm to remain competitive, to increase sales in off-seasons, to add to the stock of the dealers. There are two kinds of sales promotion. First one is proactive, the another one is reactive. Proactive is to gain additional market share or revenue, to develop favorable consumer experience with the product, to expand the target market. Reactive is response to competitors' move, to generate short-term revenue. The major decision in sales promotion. Establishing objectives, selecting consumer promotion tools, selecting trade promotion tools, selecting business and sales promotion tools. Sales promotion budget. Setting the overall promotion budget. It is to determine the desired mix of advertising and sales promotion. Strategy to develop sales promotion. Numerous decisions are necessary in developing a sales promotion strategy. For example, a company must decide upon how much coupon will reduce the retail price of a product. Sales promotion method. A company must select the tools, develop the program, protest the program, implement and control it, and evaluate the result. Tools of sales promotion. Samples, coupons, cash refund offers, price packs, premium, consumers contest, prices, retailers, product warranties and etc. Public relation. Public relations builds good relations with the company's various publics by obtaining favorable publicity, building up a good corporate image and handling and heading off unfavorable rumors, stories and events. Functions of public relation. Press relations or agentry, product publicity, publicity affairs, lobbying, investor relations, development. There are 4 important types in sales promotion: consumer sales promotion, dealers promotion, business promotion, public relations. Tools of public relations: news, websites, speeches, public service activities, special events, corporate identity materials, written materials, audiovisual materials. Thank you for watching.